Good morning, students. In my previous class, in my previous video, I have explained about the multiplication of integers. So today I am going to solve some questions based on multiplication of integers. Okay, I hope the basic concept that I have discussed in my previous video is clear to all of you. So now let's solve some questions based on that, and please take out your books, take out your copy, take out your pen and start solving questions with me. Okay, so now the question number 1. Evaluate. The first question is 394 into 12 plus 394 into minus 2. Clear? So this is the question. This is the question. 394 into 12 plus 394 into minus 2. So how will solve it? First what you will do, you will multiply, but no, here you don't have to multiply simply. First you have to see the question nicely. You can see here that this is what? Common. 394 is common here. So what we will do? How we will solve it? First what we will do? We will take out this 394 out. And what is left? 12 minus 2. 12 minus 2 is left. So 394 into what? 10. And so the answer will be 3940. Okay? So before solving the sum in maths, first you see the question nicely and see that how you can solve it in a very simplified form. So here if you multiply, if you not see the question nicely, you will multiply and then you will do all the process. Of course you will get the same answer, but it will take much time. Okay, so you have to save your time, because when teachers set the paper, it is in their mind that this question students can do in 1 line or 2 lines. In 1 minute also students can solve it. So the next question, the next question, the next question, means as the question increases, the number increases, the level of the question also increases. So you have also handled the maths paper very nicely. First you go through the question, check how simplified you can, means how you can simplify the question. Okay, so now let's do the next question. Next question is 427 into 8 plus 2 into 427. Clear? This is also same type of question. I think now you are not multiplying, you are using the property, you are using the tricks that I have explained. So what is common here? 427 is common. Clear? 427 is common here. So we will take out 427. And then inside the bracket what we will write? 8 plus 2. So 427 into 10, and so the answer will be what? 4270. Okay, clear? I hope you all have done like this. Yes, very good. So now let's do the next question. The next question is, this is very easy. 50 into minus 8. This is just to indicate that when two integers are there and they are with a different sign, then in answer which sign we put? We put the negative sign. So my plus and minus, here what we will write? We will write 120 answer. Clear? I have explained in my previous video that when we multiply two integers with the same sign, then in answer we get the positive integers, but when we multiply two integers with a different sign, in answer we get always negative integers. Okay, now let's do the next question. So the next question is minus 4 into minus 6 into minus 8. This is the question. How we will solve it? Okay. So here also first multiply 8 into 6. 8 into 6 is what? When 2, 3 numbers are given, no, then always you multiply the bigger number first. Okay, so here 8 into 6 is what? 48, and 48 into 4, when you do, what you will get? 192. So here you are getting what? 192. Now the important thing is that which sign we will put here. So 3 sign is here. Whenever the same sign is given, I am talking about the negative sign. Clear? So when 3 same negative sign is given, then in answer also we write what? Negative sign. Clear? So here it will be minus 192. This is the first thing. Second, minus into minus, plus. Again, plus into minus, minus. So by thinking in both the way, you can write the answer and you will get what? The same answer. Now, the next question is, minus 234 divided by 13. Clear? So, how will divide? So, for this what we will do? We will do the division. Or simply we can do like this also, like 234 divided by 13. Here minus sign is given. So, 13 to the 26. We cannot take 2 times, we can take 1 time. So 13 ones are 13. Then what is left here? 13, if you subtract from here, you get 10. And then means 104. You are getting what? 104. This is total. So how many times? 13, 8 is 104. So here we can write what? Minus 18 answer. Okay? This is also the answer. Minus 18 is the answer. Clear? This is simple division. Clear? And here in numerator minus sign is there, but in denominator plus sign is there. But in answer what we will write? Minus. Now let's do the next question. Now the next question is 6 minus 8 minus 6 and divided by what? 2. Okay. So 6. So what we will do here? We will write 6 minus 8. Minus and minus plus 6. Here and then divided by 2. So first we do what? Bracket work. Then we do division, means we follow which rule? When 2, 3 sign given there, then we follow which rule? Word mass. Okay? We follow word mass. So 6 minus 8 plus 2 3s are 6. Again 6 and 3, 9 minus 8 equal to 1. So answer is what? Here the answer will be 1. Because 6 and 3, they are with the what? They are with the plus sign. So first we will add and then we subtract 8 from 1. Clear? Now let's do the next question. The next question is minus 4 plus minus 12 divided by minus 6. Okay, this is the question. How we will solve it? So minus 4 plus and minus 12 divided by minus 6. So first we will do this part. So minus 4, then when you divide minus 12 and minus 6, what you will get? Minus minus cancel and 6 2s are 12. So we can write here what? Plus 2. And so minus 4 plus 2, minus 4 plus 2 is equal to what? Minus 2. So here the answer will be what? Minus 2. Clear? I hope you have also got the same answer. Yes, very good. Now let's do the next question. Next question is minus 18 plus 6 divided by 3 plus 5. This is the question. How we will solve it? Again, minus 18 we can write directly, then plus 3 to the 6. This we will do first because division first. Then plus 5 and then you add. So you will get what? Here you can write minus 18 plus 7. Okay? Minus 18 plus 7 and this is equal to what? Minus 11 answer. This is very easy. Minus 18 plus 7 minus 11 because minus sign is greater than the plus sign. Okay, now let's do the next question. Minus then 15 plus 14 minus 13 plus 2 minus 1 plus 3. Here bar bracket is given, small bracket, curly bracket. This is the question. So first what we will do? We will do the bracket work, and in bracket work also 3 brackets are given here. So when 3 brackets are given, what we do first? Bar bracket, then the small, then curly and then big bracket. So first bar bracket, then small bracket, this like this we do. Then curly bracket and then what? Big bracket. Okay. So let's do first. So here we can write 35 minus 15 plus 14 minus 13. Then 3 and 2, 5. 5 minus 1, 4. So 4. Okay. Then 35 minus 15 plus 14 minus what we can write here? 17. Okay. Then 35 minus, then what we can write here? 15 plus 14. 29 minus 17. So 35 minus 12. And so this is equal to what? 3, 2. So answer is what? 20. Clear? How I have done? I think the process must have become very clear. First bar bracket, then small bracket, then curly and then big bracket. And then subtraction. Okay? Now let's do the next question. Okay? The next question is 27 minus 13 plus 4 minus 8 plus 4 minus 1 plus 3, and this is the bar bracket and this one is the curly bracket. Okay, this is the question. How we will solve it? Again, first which one we will do? We will do the bar bracket first. Yeah. So we will write here 27 minus 13 plus 4 minus 8 plus 4. 3 and 1, 4. 4. Okay. Now this is plus 4, this is minus 4. We can cancel. What is here left? 27 minus 13 plus 4 minus what? 8. Okay. Again 27 minus 13 and 4, 17 minus 8. This is equal to 27 minus 17 minus 8 is what? 9. And this is equal to 18. So the answer is what? The answer is 18. Clear? I hope you have also got the same answer. The process is very clear to you. Okay. Now let's do the next question. Next different type of question. 32 minus 43 minus 51 minus 20 minus 18 minus 7. So here what we'll write? We'll write 32 minus 43 minus 51 minus 20, and then here 18 minus 7. 18 minus 7 is what? 18 minus 7 is 11. So here 11. Then 32 minus 43 minus 51 minus 20 minus 11, 9. Okay. Then 32 minus 43 minus 42. Okay. Then again 32 minus, subtract it. So you will get 1 here. So the answer is what? 31. Okay. I hope the process is clear. It is not difficult. It is very easy. But you have to, while solving, you have to pay concentration. Because if you will get distracted or if you will not pay attention here, then you can make a mistake. So in maths, you have to very sincere when you are solving the sum. So here again bar bracket removed, then the small bracket, then the curly bracket, and the process is here. Okay. Now let's do the next question. The question is 46 minus 26 minus 14 minus 15 minus 4 divided by 2 into 2. Okay, so now let's do it. So we will write first here what? 46 minus 26 minus 14 minus then 15 minus first what? Division. So when you divide, we will get what? 2. First we will do the division work. So 2 into 2. Be careful.
Hey, guys, an important message or notice that I want to convey to you all. I am surprised to see that approximately 55% of the students who are watching my lectures aren't subscribed to our channel. Children, I humbly request you to subscribe to the channel, as the benefits lies to you all only because by subscribing to the channel I come to know the lovely response from your side, which motivates me to make more videos which are beneficial for you. Moreover, it boosts my confidence and thus helps me to come up with more beneficial ideas of teaching for you all, which will help you all to study well for various exams. So I humbly request you all to please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Follow the BODMAS. Clear? So you have to be very careful, because when different sign is given, different brackets are given, you have to follow the BODMAS. So here first we will do the division and then we will do the multiplication. So divide, so 2, then multiply. Again 46 minus 26 minus 14 minus then 15 minus what? 2 to the 4. Okay. Then here again 46 minus 26 minus 14 minus 15 minus 4, 11. 46 minus 26 minus 14 minus 11, what it will be? 3. Then 46 minus 23. Okay? And then again 23 answer. When you solve maths, it is really that you feel that your brain is doing exercise and you feel happy when you get the correct answer, isn't it? I think you also must feel the same thing, because whenever you solve maths, when we are doing the long process and after that when we get the correct answer and simplified answer and very simple digit, when we get the answer in very simple digit, then the excitement level is wow. It happens, yes. If this is happening, if you feel like this, it means you enjoy maths. So after solving maths, when you get the answer and your answer is correct, then wow, got it. So it means you enjoy maths. Okay? So please enjoy math. This is very nice subject. Thank you very much for this class. More questions are there, and those questions I will do in my next video. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you very much.